Alright, welcome back. You'll recognize this part from our first video. Step 1 is complete, and what we're going to want to do is flip it over and set up a second setup to remove the excess stock off of the back. So I'm going to stop my simulation, and I'm going to first go up to setups, and I'm going to create a new setup. And in the new setup dialog box, I'm looking at setup 2 and fixture ID of 55. When I say next, I want to align to the stock face, and I'd like to put this one on the bottom of the stock. I'm going to put it on the bottom of the stock. I'm going to click next, and I'm going to do a Z offset of 230 thousandths. The 230 thousandths represents the 3/4 of an inch part, the 1 inch stock, and the 20 thousandths that we've already removed off of the top side in a facing operation. So the minus 230 thousandths. Preview, we see it move down, we click next and finish. Close this up. I'm going to pull an isometric view, and you'll see that the part flips over. I can then go up to new feature and create a facing operation. In the facing operation, I'm going to leave it at 0 where we want to face to. It recognizes once again that we're taking 230 thousandths off. When I click next, because we're taking the 230 thousandths off, I'm going to apply a rough pass. I'm going to tell it next, and I'm going to hit finish. I'm going to show you another method of adjusting our tools now. I'm going to select OK from the Properties dialog box, and I'm going to go over into our operations list. I'm going to select the 1 inch diameter end mill that we used in the first operation, and then I'm going to hold down the control key and click on the face mill that we're using in the second operation. I'm then going to right click and override with the 1 inch end mill and click yes. So now we are cutting down on the different tools that we're using in our program. I can then run a simulation. The first thing that you're going to see simulate is the first operation, and then there's the roughing operation of the facing pass and the finish operation of the facing pass, and we are complete.